Good morning, my dear students. Good morning, one and all. Welcome to the third session of the course. The topic name is Global Infrastructure and Reliability. We need to talk in the specific lecture level. Unveiling the power of AWS Global Infrastructure, a deep dive into reliability and beyond. In the dynamic landscape of a cloud computing, having a robust and reliable infrastructure is a very paramount. Like Amazon Web Services stands out as a leader in this domain, and it's offering a global infrastructure that is not only extensive but also laden with benefits that empower businesses to scale seamlessly. This part of the lecture part, we will delve into the intricacies of AWS global infrastructure, and it's exploring a key components like availability zones, Amazon CloudFront, and its various methods for provisioning AWS services. The first point, we need to talk about the benefits of AWS global infrastructure. AWS global infrastructure is a game changer for businesses seeking reliability, scalability, and high performance. One of the primary advantages, we can say, it lies in the strategic distribution of data centers across the globe. This geographical diversity that ensures that businesses can serve their customers with low latency and high throughput connections irrespective of their location. Furthermore, AWS provides a comprehensive set of cloud services, and that's making it an all-encompassing solution for diverse business needs, whether it's a computing power, storage, database, machine learning, Internet of Things like IoT. AWS has it covered with a global reach that spans continents. Second will be an understanding availability zones we need to discuss now. Actually, availability zones that are a foundational element of AWS global infrastructure, and it has been designed to enhance the fault tolerance and availability. An availability zone is essentially a data center that equipped with its power, cooling, and networking infrastructure. These zones are strategically placed within region but are isolated from each other to mitigate the impact of failures. So, by distributing applications across a multiple available zone, that the businesses can ensure that their systems remain operational even in the face of hardware failures or other unforeseen events. This redundancy not only enhances reliability but also provides a foundation for building resilient architectures. So, what are the benefits of Amazon CloudFront and edge locations? We need to talk now. Amazon CloudFront, that is AWS Content Delivery Network, the CDN service, is another jewel in the crown of AWS cloud infrastructure, we can say here. Exactly. Because CloudFront accelerates the delivery of a content by catching it at edge locations around the world. And this not only reduces latency but also improves the overall user experience we can get, particularly for applications with a global user base. And edge locations, it's like strategically positioned around the globe and serve as the entry point for request to CloudFront. These locations are equipped with the necessary infrastructure to provide a low latency access to content and ensuring that the end users experience fast and reliable performance we can get. That's why the benefits of a CloudFront and edge locations that extend beyond just speed. They also contribute to increased security by providing features like a DDoS protection and integration with the AWS Web Application Firewall. The short code is WAF, that ensuring that applications are sealed from a malicious attacks. Understand? Okay, the next will be in comparing methods for provisioning AWS services. Then we can go for a conclusion level. So when it comes to provisioning AWS services, businesses have multiple options to choose from. The right method depends on factors such as the scale of the operation, resource requirements, and the desired level of control, everything. Here's some brief comparison of some common methods we need to talk here, starting from the AWS Management Console. This web-based interface is user-friendly and suitable for beginners or those who prefer a geographical user interface. It allows users to provision and manage AWS resources with just a few clicks. Second will be an AWS command line interface. The shortcut is a CLI. For users comfortable with the command line, the AWS CLI provides a command line interface that provides a powerful and scriptable interface. It's particularly beneficial for automating repetitive tasks and managing resources at scale. Third will be on Amazon's AWS SDKs, that is the software development kits. SDKs are available for various programming languages and it's enabling developers to interact with the AWS services using code. And this method is ideal for integrating AWS functionality into custom applications. Fourth will be an AWS Cloud Formation for infrastructure as a code IAC. Cloud Formation that allows users to define and provision AWS infrastructure in a declarative manner. This ensures consistency and enables version control for infrastructure changes. Final will be on Elastic Beanstalk. As I told, AWS Elastic Beanstalk, this fully managed service, is designed for deploying and managing applications without the need to worry about underlying infrastructure, and it abstracts away the complexities that are making it easier to focus on application development. So choosing the right provisioning method that depends on a factor such as the user's technical proficiency, the complexity of the deployment, and the need for automation. Organizations often find a combination of these methods that are best suited to their requirements here. So in a conclusion, we need to focus in the ever-evolving landscape of cloud computing, AWS global infrastructure that stands as a testament to the commitment to reliability, performance, and scalability, the strategic placement of data centers, the concept of availability zones, the power of Amazon Cloud front and edge locations, and the flexibility in provisioning methods collectively that make AWS a compelling choice for businesses of all sizes. As businesses continue to embrace the cloud for their IT needs, understanding the leveraging the capabilities of AWS global infrastructure that becomes very pivotal. The journey from provisioning resources to building resilient infrastructures and architectures is enriched by the diverse tools and services that AWS offers, and it's providing a solid foundation for the digital transformation era. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the third session of the topic of global infrastructure and reliability. Thank you once again, and thank you all, my dear students.